Hello student, I am Dr. Pankaj Goyal. Today I will discuss Leibniz theorem and unlearn. Leibniz theorem. Leibniz theorem is about the nth derivative of multiplications of two functions. Let us suppose we say u and v are two functions. U and v are the two functions of x. Then nth derivative of u into v, that is equal to u v nth derivative plus nc1 u1 v 1 derivative less n minus 1 plus nc2 first 2 derivative, second one n minus 2, that is n minus 2, and this plus nc3 first has 3 derivative and second one has n minus 3, and plus dot dot, and the last term will be ncn un v, where nc1 that is equal to 1, nc2 n minus 1 upon factorial 2, and n minus 1 upon factorial 2, and that nc3 that is equal to n minus 1 n minus 2 upon factorial 3. Okay, now take the example. Let us suppose nth derivative of x square y. The first function is x square, nth derivative y, that is yn, plus nc1 x square derivative is 2x, one less derivative of this one, that is y of n minus 1, plus nc2, the derivative of 2x is 2, and that is y of n minus 2, and next term will be 0. Take the other example. 1 minus x cube y1, nth derivative of this one, that is equal to first function 1 minus x cube. So right here first function same, y1, the nth derivative of y1 is y of n plus 1, the number of derivative plus suffix n plus 1, plus nc1 plus nc1, and 1 minus x cube derivative is minus of 3x square, one derivative less yn, plus nc2 that is minus of 6x, and this is y of n minus 1, plus nc3 that is minus 6 y of n minus 2, and the next term will be 0, because the derivative of minus 6 is 0 later on. So this question will terminate here. Now we take the next example. Let y equal to e की power m sin inverse x. Find yn 0 using Leibniz theorem. So first differentiate y. y1 e की power m sin inverse x into m sin inverse x, differentiation is m into sin inverse x. What is the differentiation of sin inverse x? That is 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. Whatever comes in denominator, multiply left hand side. We get from here square root of 1 minus x square. y1, put the value of this h y, that is equal to my. Okay, if in left hand side we get the square root, then squaring both sides. Squaring both sides we get 1 minus x square y1 square, that is equal to m square y square. Again differentiate with respect to x both sides, we get 1 minus x square y1 square differentiation is 2 y1 into differentiation of y1, that is y2, plus minus of 2x, differentiation of 1 minus x square is minus 2x, second term है same, that is equal to m square y square का क्या हो जाएगा, that is 2y and y का y1, divide by 2y1 whole equations, we get from here 1 minus x square y2 minus x y1, and take this term left hand side, that is equal to minus of m square y equal to 0. Now find the derivative at x equal to 0. First one, take this one, y0. From here find the y0, y at x equal to 0. Put here x equal to 0. Sin inverse 0 is 0. That is e की power of 0. That is equal to 1. From here find the y10. y10. That is equal to e की power 0 1 m, and this one, that is equal to m. And from here find the y20. What is the y20? Second term 0. This minus m square, y0 is 1, that is equal to m square. Okay. Now apply the Leibniz theorem in the last equation here. Differentiate n time using Leibniz theorem. Differentiate n time using Leibniz theorem. First term is 1 minus x square. To write here 1 minus x square, y2 differentiation is n plus 2, because suffix is 2, we differentiate n time, so n plus 2, plus nc1, 1 minus x square differentiation is minus 2x, that is y of n plus 1, plus nc2, and this is minus 2, and that is yn. Now take the second term, minus of x, differentiation of y 1, that is y of n plus 1, plus nc1. Okay, and minus x का differentiation हो गया minus 1, and that is हो गया yn. यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं plus this minus, last term is minus m square, so minus of m square yn, and that is equal to 0. Add this whole of this one, add this, we get from here, we get 1 minus x square y of n plus 2. Okay, and from here n c1 minus 2x, nc1 is n, so minus 2nx or minus x, taking this minus of 2nx common, minus 2xh common from here, minus 2xh common, तो minus of minus xh common, तो minus 2n plus 1 x y of n plus 1. Now comes here, at the value of this one, nc2 into minus 2, this one, the value of this is n minus 1 upon factorial 2 into minus 2, that means minus of n square plus n, and the second term we get minus n to plus n cancel out, so we get from here minus h common, n square plus m square yn equal to 0, so we get this one. Okay, now put here x equal to 0, put x equal to 0, we get from here y of n plus 2 0, The first term is 1, this is yn plus 2, this term is 0, so minus of 0 minus n square plus m square, and this is y of n 0, that is equal to 0. So from here we get y of n plus 2 0, that is equal to n square plus m square, and this yn 0. Let us suppose this is the equation number 1. Put n equal to n minus 2. We get from here yn 0, that is equal to n minus 2 square plus m square, y of n minus 2 0. Let us suppose this is the equation number 2. Now again put n equal to n minus 2. N equal to n minus 2. We get y of n minus 2 0. That is equal to n minus 4 whole square plus m square. And that is y of n minus 4 0. Put the value of this y of n minus 2 0 from equation number 3 to equation number 2. We get from here yn we get from here yn 0 by equation number 2 we get yn 0, that is equal to n minus 2 square plus m square, n minus 4 square plus m square, y of n minus 4 0. Let us suppose this is the equation number 4. Now see this equation number 2 and equation number 4. This n minus 2 term, we just skip this term, right? This term, and replace this by this one. And one another thing you can see here is n minus 2 derivative, so last term is n minus 2. Here derivative is n minus 4, so last term is n minus 4. If the last term is n minus 6, then means derivative should be n minus 6. And you can also see here, if here is n, here is n minus 2, the difference is 2. That means if we put even number here, we get even number. If we put odd number, we get odd number. So like this, just we put the value of last derivative, and then the sequence will be just forward. Okay. Then last term will be, if even, the last term will be even, odd, then last term will be odd. So we take the two case. Case number 1. If n is even. In case of even, put n equal to 2, right, in equation number 1. We get from here y 4 0, that is equal to 2 square plus m square, y 2 0. So we just skip from this term, write dot dot, dot dot means multiplication, and write the last term as this one. So from here you can write the even yn 0. Yn 0 can be written as first term as n minus 2 square plus m square, second term n minus 4 square plus m square, dot dot, last term is 2 square plus m square, y to 0. If you want to write the previous term, you can see in the right hand, if you go from left to right, the 2 will be less, and if you go from right to left, then 2 will be added. So the previous term you can write directly 4 square plus m square, and then put the value of y to 0. You already find the value of y to 0, that is equal to m square. So put here m square, replace this value as m square. So this is the value for n is even. Okay. Now comes n is odd. Case number 2. N is odd. Last odd term is 1. So put n equal to 1 in equation number 1. Okay. What is the equation number 1? Equation number 1 was the n plus 2 0, that is equal to n square plus m square yn 0. Put here n equal to 1. We get from here y3 0, that is equal to 1 square plus m square, and that y1 0. So this will be the last term. In place of this one, write the last term as this. We get from here yn 0 is equal to n minus 2 का square plus m square, n minus 4 square plus m square, and last term is odd term, that is 1 square plus m square y1 0. Okay. If you want to write the previous term, what should be the previous term? Add 2 in 1, that is 3. So we can write directly the previous term as 3 square plus m square. And what is the value of y1 0? We already find the value when 0 is value equal to m. Okay. So this is the final answer of this one. For even, this one. For odd, this one. Okay. You can see here we already find the value of this derivative y2 0 m square and y1 0 m. Now take the other example. We take the other example. Let us suppose I say y equal to sin m sin inverse x and find yn at x equal to 0. Find the y1. First find y1, that is cosine of m sin inverse x and multiplication of this one, derivative of sin inverse x. What is the derivative of sin inverse x? m sin inverse x का क्या हो गया? Square root of 1 minus x square. Multiply in left hand side. We get square root of 1 minus x square y1, that is equal to m cos m sin inverse x. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, we get 1 minus x square y1 square, that is equal to m square cos square m this sin inverse x. Okay. Clear? You can find the value of this y0. You can find the value of this y0 from here. What is the value of y0? y0. Put x equal to 0. This is 0. Sin 0 is 0. The value is 0. What is the y1? You can find y1 from here. y1 0. Left hand side, that is 1. And this value is m cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. This value is m. Okay. Now proceed. Next step. Again differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to x. What we get? We get 1 minus x square. y1 स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या हो जाएगा? 2y1 like x स्क्वायर का 2x and differentiation of y1, that is y2 plus 1 minus x स्क्वायर का क्या हो जाएगा? minus of 2x y1 square, that is equal to m square. First we should convert this cos square. First we should convert the cos square before differentiation. Convert this cos square x to cos square theta. What is the value of cos square theta? That is 1 minus sin square theta. So write this sin square theta. So this m square 1 minus sin square m sin inverse x. Okay. And what is the sin m sin inverse x? That is y. So convert this in y. We get 1 minus x square y1 square, that is equal to m square 1 minus y square. So our aim is to eliminate the right hand side function and convert as y. So we write in y. Now differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. What we get? 1 minus x square y1 square means 2 y1 y2 plus this minus of 2x. 1 minus x square का differentiation क्या हो गया? Minus of 2x. y1 square that is equal to m square 0 minus 2y, and differentiation of y is y1. Divide by 2y1 both side, we get 1 minus x square y2 minus xy1, and take this left hand side plus m square y equal to 0. From here now you can find out y to 0. Now find from here y to 0. Y to 0. This term is 0 and that is m square y 0, and y 0 is already 0. The value of y to 0 is 0. Okay. Now apply the Leibniz theorem to find the nth derivative. Apply the Leibniz theorem. Differentiate with respect to x and time using Leibniz theorem. क्या हो जाएगा बताएं. फर्स्ट टर्म इज 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, तो राइट हियर 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, y2 का डिफ्रेंसिएशन हो जाएगा y ऑफ n प्लस 2 प्लस एन सी 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर का डिफ्रेंसिएशन माइनस ऑफ 2x, and this is y of n plus 1. Okay, and then plus nc2, and that is minus of 2 and y. Now comes the second term, माइनस एक्स को ले लेते हैं फर्स्ट टर्म, y1 का डिफरेंशिएशन हो जाएगा y ऑफ n प्लस 1, and you can write this nc1. Okay, and from here we get minus x, differentiation is minus 1, and this is y of n. What is the differentiation of m square y? m square y का हो जाएगा मेरे पास प्लस m square y n, that is equal to 0. Okay, add this, we get 1 minus x square, this y of n plus 2, nc1 means n, तो 2 minus of 2nx, माइनस एक्स कॉमन ले लीजिए, माइनस ऑफ 2n plus 1 x y of n plus 1 plus, what is the value of nc2? What is the value of nc2? This nc2 into minus 2, this value we get minus n square plus n, this value we get from here minus of n, this should cancel out, and this is m square, we get minus n square plus m square. तो टेक एज माइनस एच कॉमन, माइनस को कॉमन ले लीजिए, क्या आ जाएगा बताइए यहाँ से, माइनस ऑफ एन स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर वाई एन इक्वल टू 0. वी गेट दिस वन. नाउ पुट एक्स इक्वल टू 0, पुट एक्स इक्वल टू 0. ओके, पुट दिस एक्स इक्वल टू 0. Put x equal to 0. We get from here, first term is 0, y of n plus 2, 0, right? This term is 0, minus of 0, minus of n square minus m square yn 0, that is equal to 0. So from here we get n plus 2, 0, that is equal to n square minus m square, and that is yn 0. Okay, this is the equation number 1. Now put n equal to, like previous question, put n equal to n minus 2. We get yn 0, that is equal to n minus 2 का square minus m square y of n minus 2 0. Let us suppose this is equation number 2. Again put n equal to n minus 2. N equal to n minus 2 in equation number 2. We get y of n minus 2 0. That is equal to n minus 4 square minus m square, and this is y of n minus 4, y of n minus 4 0. Okay, I put the value of this one n minus 2 0 in equation number 2 from equation number 3. 3 to 2 में आप वैल्यू रख दीजिए, क्या हो जाएगा देखिए हमारे पास यहाँ पे वी गेट वाई एन जीरो, एक टर्म आपके आगे बढ़ जाएगी तो हो जाएगा एन माइनस 2 स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे हो जाएगा देखिए एन माइनस 4 स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर, और ये हो जाएगा एन माइनस 4 0. अगर हम दोबारा से एन माइनस 4 0 की वैल्यू पुट करें तो क्या होगा, ये टर्म एक और आगे आपकी बढ़ जाएगी. तो आप देख सकते हैं इस पहली टर्म से दूसरी टर्म में क्या चेंज हुआ है, एन की वैल्यू 2 आपकी लेस हो गई है, नेक्स्ट में फिर लेस हो जाएगी लाइक दिस, दो आपकी क्या हो जाएगी डिक्रीज होती जाएगी, और लास्ट में क्या आएगा आप देख सकते हैं कि अगर यहाँ पे हमारे पास इफ देयर इज एन इज इवन तो वी गेट हियर इवन नंबर बिकॉज द डिफरेंस ऑफ बिटवीन दीज टू इज 2. इफ यू पुट हियर लाइक लेट अस सपोज 4, तो हियर इज 4 minus 2 2. If you put here 10, here is 10 minus 2 is 8. So if we put even number, get even number. If we put odd number, get odd number. Now just इस वाली टर्म को आप यहाँ से क्या करेंगे, स्किप करेंगे, राइट, एंड लास्ट में क्या लिख देंगे, डॉट डॉट लगा के, और लास्ट में लिख दीजिए इसमें लास्ट टर्म. तो ले लेते हैं इसमें एन एज इवन, केस फर्स्ट ले लीजिए, एन इज इवन. तो लास्ट इवन आपको वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. तो इवन वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए एन की वैल्यू रख देता हूँ 2 इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1, इसमें 2 रख दीजिए, क्या आ जाएगा देखिए, क्या आ जाएगा देखिए y40 दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर एंड दिस वी गेट y20. ओके, इसको लास्ट में क्या करेंगे, इस वाली सीरीज सीक्वेंस में लास्ट में लिख दीजिए. तो वी गेट सिमिलरली वी गेट yn0, पहली दो टर्म सेम लिख दीजिए, एन माइनस 2 स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर, ये हो जाएगा हमारा एन माइनस 4 स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, डॉट डॉट, लास्ट में क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास 2 स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर, और ये हो जाएगा आपका y20. कोई कन्फ्यूजन तो नहीं है. इससे प्रीवियस टर्म में क्या होगा, 2 ऐड कर दीजिए, तो 2 ऐड करोगे तो क्या आ जाएगा आपका 4 स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर आ जाएगा, 4 स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर इंटू दिस वन. ये हमारा हो गया इवन के लिए, राइट. एंड y20 की वैल्यू क्या थी हमारे पास, अभी हमने फाइंड आउट किया था y20 आया था हमारे पास 0. देखिए क्या आया था y20 0. इसके वाला इवन के केस में जो हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा वो क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास 0 आ जाएगा. दिस इज इक्वल टू 0 बिकॉज दिस वैल्यू इज 0. सिमिलरली फाइंड द ओड, केस 2, एन इज ओड. ओड के केस में फाइंड आउट करें तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा देखिए एन इज ओड, तो एन की वैल्यू 1 रख दीजिए इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 क्या थी बताए, इक्वेशन नंबर 1 थी हमारे पास एन 2 + 0 इक्वल टू, यहाँ पर आ जाएगा एन स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर, एंड दिस इज वाई ऑफ n0. पुट n इक्वल टू 1 रखने में क्या मिलेगा यहाँ से हमें, वी गेट y30 दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर एंड दैट इज y10. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा मेरे पास y10. ओके, वी गेट दिस वन. इसको लास्ट टर्म में हम इसमें वो कर दीजिए, लास्ट टर्म लिख दीजिए यहाँ से yn0 दैट इज इक्वल टू, फर्स्ट टर्म सेम रहेगी हमारी n माइनस 2 स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर, सेकेंड टर्म भी सेम रहेगी n माइनस 4 स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर, डॉट डॉट, लास्ट में आ जाएगा मेरे पास 1 स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर एंड दैट इज y10. इससे प्रीवियस टर्म लिखनी हो तो क्या लिख दोगे आप, 3 स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर लिखेंगे, राइट. वी गेट दिस वन. दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. Now we come to the next topic, that is envelope. What do you mean by envelope? First discuss the family of curve. What do you mean by family of curve? Let us suppose we have equation y equal to mx plus 2 and m is a parameter. If we put m equal to 1, what is the equation? We get y equal to x plus 2. If I put m equal to 2, we get y equal to 2x plus 2. If I put m equal to 3, we get y equal to 3x plus 2. You can see this equation, if we just take m as parameter, the represent the family of straight line. So we can say here m is a parameter. So this equation represent the family of straight line. The family of straight line. Okay. Yeah, the family of straight line. What do you mean by the envelope? Envelope is a curve. Envelope is a curve which touches every family of curve. Which touches every family of curve. And how we find out this one? We use the differentiation and eliminate the parameter. I take the example. Y equal to, let us suppose mx plus a upon m. Let us suppose this is the equations. And we are saying that m is a parameter. So first differentiate this one. Let us suppose this is equation number 1. Differentiate with respect to m both sides. We get from here 0 is equal to 1 into x minus a upon m square. With the help of 1 and 2, we will eliminate m, and the resultant equation will be the equation of envelope. Okay. Find the value of m from here. What is the value of m? From here you can say that x equal to a upon m square. Or you can say m is equal to what? A upon x. M square equal to a upon x. Put the value of this in equation number 1. So by this equation number 1, that is y equal to, well, what is the value of m? That is root a upon x plus minus x plus a upon m. So a into plus minus square root of x upon a, and solving this we get the equations of envelope. I take other example. For example, I say y equal to mx plus am square. Let us suppose we want to find out the envelope of this one. Okay. So difference, this is equation number 1. Differentiate with respect to m. We get 0 equal to 1 into x plus a into 2m. From here we get m equal to minus x upon 2a. What should be the equation of envelope? By equation 1 we get y equal to minus of x upon 2a, okay, into x plus a minus x upon 2a whole square, and solving this we get the equations of envelope. This is the first method to find the equation of envelope. Now comes the second method. What should be the second method? Second method is, if we can rewrite equations of curve h a lambda square plus b lambda plus c equal to 0, where lambda equal to some function of parameter m, then equations of envelope can be written as b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So this is the equation of envelope in this case. First we prove this formula, and then we can use this formula directly to any questions. Okay. So take this solutions. A lambda square plus b lambda plus c equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Because lambda is the functions of parameter, so you can also say lambda is a parameter. So we have to eliminate this lambda. Differentiate with respect to lambda both sides. We get a 2 lambda plus b, that is equal to 0. From here we get lambda equal to minus b upon 2a. Okay. Put this value into equation number 1. By this equation number 1 we get a minus b upon 2a whole square plus b, this minus b upon 2a plus c equal to 0. What is this? That is b square upon 4a, and this minus b square upon 2a, and this plus c equal to 0. We get this one. Solving this we get 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, that is minus of 1 by 4. So b square upon 4a, that is equal to minus c, and this from here we get b square equal to 4ac. This is the equation of envelope. Directly we can use this any questions. So again just see the above question which we discussed earlier. This y equal to mx plus m square a, right? You can write this am square, you can write this am square plus xm minus y equal to 0. So you write this. We know if equation of curve is a lambda square plus b lambda plus c equal to 0, then equations of envelope can be written as b square equal to 4ac. So right here what is the ABC? Here lambda is equal to m, okay, a is equal to small a, b equal to x, and c equal to minus of y. B square, what is the b square? B square means x square equal to 4, a means small a, and c means minus y. Okay, that means x square equal to minus say 4ay, minus 4ay, that is the equations of envelope in this case. Okay, so by using this this formula you can solve many questions. If you can find out where we can use this formula, you can solve this one. Take other example. Let us suppose I say y equal to mx plus square root of a square m square plus b square. This is. the given questions. Now I can see that we can convert this as the quadratic equations. Okay, how can we convert? Just y minus mx, that is equal to whole square is equal to a square m square plus b square. You can write like this. Open this, y square plus x square m square minus 2xy into m, that is equal to a square m square plus b square. Okay, you can write like this. Now we can write the given equation as quadratic equation in m. To write this, x square minus a square into m square minus 2xy into m plus y square minus b square, that is equal to 0. So this can be represented as, we can write the formula. This is the, we know the equations of a lambda square plus b lambda plus c equal to 0. Right? You can see that this is the equation in this type. Here lambda equal to what? M. What is capital A? Capital A is x square minus a square. What is the value of capital B? Minus of 2xy. Capital B is minus of 2xy. And what is capital C? That is y square minus b square. Okay. What is the equation of envelope? We know the equation of envelope is equations of envelope is b square equal to 4ac. What is b square? ये होगा आपका minus of 2xy whole square 4ac, 4 x square minus a square and this y square minus b square. Okay, so solving this we get the equation of envelope. Clear? So you can write this. This can be written as 4 x square y square, that is equal to 4, and this can be written as x square y square minus b square x square minus a square y square plus a square b square. इस x स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर टू एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर कैंसिल आउट हो गया आपके पास. ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर से आप डिवाइड कर दीजिए. वी गेट फ्रॉम एयर एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. दैट मीन्स इक्वेशन ऑफ इलिप्स विल बी द इक्वेशन ऑफ एनवेलप. ओके, like this we can solve many questions. You can see the other example. For example, this is given as y equal to x tan t, x tan t minus gx square upon 2u square cos square t, where t is a parameter. So you can see that the 1 upon cos square is sec square, and you know that sec square t can be written as 1 plus tan square t. So convert this equation as a quadratic equation of tan t. So x tan t minus gx square upon 2u square, and this can be written as 1 plus tan square t. Now convert this as quadratic equation of tan t. Convert कर सकते हैं. You can write this g x square upon 2u square tan square t. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ले जाइए इसको. ओके, यहाँ से हो जाएगा आपके पास माइनस ऑफ x tan t प्लस y, हो जाएगा प्लस जी एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन 2u square, that is equal to 0, like this. So if we compare this as a lambda square plus b lambda plus c equal to 0, compare this equation with this one, what we get? We can write this a equal to gx square upon 2u square and b equal to minus x, c equal to y plus gx square upon 2u square, right? and here lambda equal to 10t. By the equation of envelope, you can write this equations of envelope, that can be written as b square equal to 4ac. So by this you can find out the equations of envelope. Now comes the two parameter. If we have the two parameter, for example, we have the x square upon a square plus y square upon b square, that is equal to 1, and given that a square plus b square, that is equal to, let us suppose, c square. A and b h parameter and c is constant. These are two parameter equation family of curve. We want to find out the envelope of this one. First write the value of b square from these equations. You can write this x square upon a square plus y square upon c square minus a square, that is equal to 1. We can convert this equation as the quadratic equation after taking the LCM. You can write this x square c square minus a square plus y square a square, that is equal to a square c square minus a square. Okay, now this can be written as x square c square minus a square x square plus a square y square, right? A square y square, that is equal to a square c square minus a की power 4. We can write this one as a की power 4, and taking as a square h common, we get y square minus x square minus c square into a square. Okay, and by the constant term, that is equal to plus x square c square equal to 0. So this is the form of a lambda, that one a, compare this a lambda square plus b lambda plus c equal to 0. What is the value of lambda? Here you can see value of lambda is a square. What is the value of a? Capital A is 1. What is the value of capital B? That is y square minus x square minus c square. And what is the value of c? That is x square c square. So we can write this equations of envelope, that is equal to equation of envelope can be written as, that is b square equal to 4ac. Put the value of abc here, we get the equation of envelope. Okay, clear? Now we take the other method, that is the method number 3 for two parameter. Take the same questions, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1, and that is a square plus b square equal to c square, and a and b are the parameters, right? How can we solve by other method? Differentiate this with respect to a, and taking b is the function of a. We will not consider b as constant, b is the function of a, and taking x y as constant. What we get? We get minus एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर का डिफ्रेंसिएशन हो जाएगा हमारे पास ए क्यूब, और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा माइनस टू वाई स्क्वायर, बी स्क्वायर का क्या हो जाएगा बी क्यूब हो जाएगा, और इनटू आ जाएगा आपका डी बी अपॉन डी ए, दैट इज इक्वल टू 0. इसको मान लेते हैं यहाँ पे दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 3, इसको मान लेते हैं इक्वेशन नंबर 1, इसको मान लेते हैं इक्वेशन नंबर 2. नाउ डिफरेंशिएट इक्वेशन नंबर 2, differentiate equation number 2 with respect to a. What we get from 2? We get from a 2a plus 2b db upon da, that is equal to 0. From here find the value of db upon da, that is minus of a upon b, minus of a upon b. Put this into equation number 3. So by equation number 3 we get कट दिस -2 कट कर दें तो बोथ साइड से वी गेट दिस x square by equation number 3. We get x square upon a cube plus y square upon b cube एंड इसकी वैल्यू हो जाएगी माइनस ऑफ a अपॉन b. क्या वैल्यू हो जाएगी इसकी? माइनस ऑफ a अपॉन b एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू हो जाएगा 0. सिंप्लीफाई इसको कर लीजिए थोड़ा सा. वी गेट फ्रॉम हेयर एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन ए की पावर 4 दैट इज इक्वल टू वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन बी की पावर 4. नाउ सी द इक्वेशन नंबर 1 एंड इक्वेशन नंबर 2. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 फर्स्ट टर्म इज एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर एंड यू कैन कन्वर्ट एंड दिस इज ए स्क्वायर. So try to convert the given equality as x square upon a square. Can we convert this x square upon a square? Yes, we can convert. We can write x square upon a square upon a square, and that is equal to y square upon b square upon b square. Right? Now we know that if let us suppose I say 2 upon 3, that is equal to 4 upon 6. You can multiply any number to this and any number to this one, and linear combination of this will again a same equality. For example, if I say I multiply here 3 and here as 2, so we get 3 into 2 plus 2 into 4. Multiply same number in denominator, so we get 3 into 3 plus 2 into 6. So what we get? We get 3 into 6, 3 into 2 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8, what is 14? And from here we get 3 into 3 9 and 6 plus 2 12. 9 plus 2 21. Cut by this 7. 7 2 is this and 7 3 is this. So we get the same equality. So same apply here. We want to convert this as left hand side of equation 1 and left hand side of equation 2. In numerator left hand side of equation 1 and denominator left hand side of equation number 2. So what can we do? Add these both of this one. We get x square upon a square plus y square upon b square, and in denominator we get a square plus b square. So using the equation number 1 and 2. By equation number 1, what is the value of x square upon a square plus y upon b square? Given that is equal to 1. And what is the value of a square plus b square? That is equal to c square. Take this first, this second, this one as third. Okay. Now see the value by first and third. First and third. We get x square upon a की power 4. That is 1 upon c square. What is our aim? Our aim is to eliminate a and b. If we can find out the value of a and b in terms of x, y and c, that means we get the equation of analog. Okay. Write this. A की power 4 is equal to x square c square. We want the value of a square. So what is the value of a square? A square is equal to plus minus this x into c plus minus cx. Right. Similarly by first and fourth. Similarly using the first and fourth, you can write this y square upon b की power 4 that is equal to 1 upon c square. So you can write from here this one as b की power 4 equal to y square c square. So b square is equal to क्या आ जाएगा मेरे पास plus minus cy. Put in this equation number either 1 or 2. So I can write the equation number 2. What is the equation number 2? By equation number 2 given as a square plus b square equal to c square. Put the value of a square and b square. What we get? We get plus minus cx plus minus cy, that is equal to c square. Okay. You can say plus minus x plus minus y, that is equal to c. So this is the equations of analog. This is the final answer. Okay. So like this we discuss the first one, Leibniz theorem, yn at x equal to 0, then equation of envelope, one parameter, then quadratic equation, convert the given equation into quadratic equation in lambda, and then find the equation of envelope, and then two parameter, given curve is two parameter, and then find the equation of envelope. Okay, thank you very much. It's just okay for the today lecture. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel Dr. Pankaj Goyal, right? And also refer to your friends. Thank you very much.